Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make hummus, and my most favorite hummus, roasted red pepper hummus. We just need a few simple ingredients. I've got a can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 roasted red pepper, 1/4 cup of tahini, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now, let's get this all mixed up. So all we have to do is just toss everything in here. If you have dried chickpeas and you want to use those, like that you've softened off, obviously, that's just going to make this so much better. But for goodness, I'm just using canned today. It's still going to be good. And I've used a roasted red pepper just from a jar at the grocery store. But if you do it yourself, again, oh, so good. I love roasted red peppers. And tahini you'll find at the grocery store. Buy that bottle, it'll last forever in your fridge. Looks good. I'm just going to give it a little taste test. Make sure that we don't have to add any more salt or lemon. It's so good. And you can really get that cumin. Only 1/2 teaspoon of that, and it just comes out so nice. And the roasted red pepper. Actually, I think I want to add another roasted red pepper. All right, found another one. And do check inside, make sure you've got all your seeds out. I love roasted red peppers, if I haven't said that already. Another little taste test. So good. I don't think that needs anything. All right, so here's our roasted red pepper dip. And if you have some parsley or cilantro hanging around, you can certainly put it on top to make it look pretty. Now we'll give it another little taste test with our cracker. So good. And this will stay good in your fridge for a week at least. So I'll try and make this. It's so good and so easy. We'll see you next time.